how many people in the world live and never do this?
How much?
Lots. Wouldn't you say, Ray? Never
just
get out in a pretty place like this and canoe and see a heron and... I told you what we could do is go back up to the dock. You and I will get out and let Dad and Jasper practice together.
Yeah.
I must be dreaming.
And then...
Ow, ow,
Ow, ow. And we'll have orange juice and some nuts. And we'll sit.
Is there snacks in the boat?
Is what?
Is there nuts in the boat?
Yep.
Where?
They're in that thing. But you got to wait for... You know, Jasper, you need to put down that thing. You can do that at home.
Make a video?
You mean you
You're
can't?
drinking Coke with one hand and doing your camera with the other. Get this boy some nuts.
Yeah, give me.
Oh great! Now the music
You
is
want to take a left?
no, the music is magnified. I really hate this music.
I think we've heard enough of that. I guess we did.
How long we've been on the river?
I have no idea.
Can we please go home?
You say you really want to go home?
Yeah.
He wants to get out, so but you,
I tried to hold 5 people because there's 3 in the back and there's 3 in the back. 3 in the back. And hey, Jasper, 2 in the front.
Okay, this is the shortest battery life ever, and I need to listen to it. I don't believe that it has low battery. I mean, it really sucks.